Ito ang tatlong skills or habits na kailangan matutunan this coming 2025. Alam ko, excited ka na sa panibago na namang taon because just like any other new year, it brings new hope and new chances for you to get better in life. However, syempre, isa sa mga tanong mo is, ano nga ba yung mga skills or habits na kailangan pagtuunan ng pansin para mabigyan ka ng mas malaking tsansa of success this coming year? Alam mo, i-take down mo ito. Number 1 is of course communication skills. Hindi na pwede na iaasa mo na lang yung success mo or yung future mo, whether that's in your career or your business, sa destiny. Hindi pwedeng maghihintay ka na lang tapos aasa ka na one day mabibigyan ka rin ng break. You gotta make things happen on your end. When I understand that God's plans will still prevail at the end of the day, may kasamang action pa rin yan on your end. Ang problema, puro ka dinadamay mo pa si Lord tapos hindi ka naman uma-action. Abay, ang lupit mo. Hindi talaga mag-work yan. Kaya kailangan magkaroon ka ng skill na communication skills. Now, turn that skill into profitability by number 2, learning how to market or sell. Kung face-to-face, whether by Zoom or physical, you gotta learn selling skills. Ibig sabihin, using your mouth and your voice to sell a product for money or in exchange of money. Ngayon, kung ikaw naman ay nasa path ng marketing, kailangan mo pa rin yung selling skills. Paano mo ito gagamitin? Through copywriting or through video creation or content creation, kasi yan pa rin ay communication done in different forms. At the end of the day, kailangan mo pa rin matutunan magbenta. And last but not the least is digital adaptability. Hindi mo na pwedeng sabihin hindi ka techie. Wala na, lusok na yan. Hindi nagagana yung rason na yan. There is literally no choice but for you to learn the ways of the internet. Kailangan meron kang digital transformation and digital adaptability. Ngayon, kung gusto mong matutunan itong mga ito, I want you to follow for more. Stay updated because marami tayong mga binibigay na mga free contents, free value, and certain platforms na tayo mismo yung nag-create para mas mabigyan ka ng education.